Hi, I'm Brittany from Johnson Plastics Plus. We'll be talking about the Viper Mini pre-treat machine and how to pre-treat for DTG printing. So pre-treat is going to get your t-shirt ready to print onto. Whenever you use white ink, you'll need to use pre-treat. You can use pre-treat on light colored shirts if you want to make the print brighter or keep the print lasting longer. So we carry 4 different pre-treats. We carry the pre-treat in light, ultra, platinum, and titanium. They all give you different results depending on what you need them for. So some of them are UV resistant, some are used on dark t-shirts, and some work better on light t-shirts. This is the Viper Mini, and there's a couple adjustments that you can make on here depending on what your job is or the coverage that you need. You can adjust it here. This moves up and down, giving you a wider spray or a more narrow spray. And then on the back here, you can see that there's these little buttons that go up and down. You can change the percentage. And the higher the percentage, the faster that it's going to go. The wheels will automatically move and you'll get less pre-treat. So the slower that it's going to go, the more coverage that you'll get. So let's demo applying some pre-treat to this shirt. So there's a button at the top that activates the wheels, and you basically guide it with the handle on the back. So as you can see, you do get a little overspray, so just make sure that any surrounding items are removed before you use the Viper Mini, just so that you don't get pre-treat on anything you don't want it on, and maybe have a designated area to use the pre-treat machine. Okay, so now you'll want to roll the pre-treat out, moving in the direction that the print head would be moving. And this just kind of helps make sure that you get even coverage. And now your shirt is ready to be printed. So once you're done with your Viper Mini, to prepare it for storage, you'll have to flush out the lines. This keeps it nice and clean for next time you want to use it. If there's any pre-treat still in there, it can cause gunking up and it won't perform quite the same next time you use it. So what you'll want to do is remove this from your pre-treat. Add a little bit of cleaning fluid in here. And you'll want a spit cup in the front to hold all of the fluid that's being flushed out. And once it looks pretty clear, good. So then you'll want to rinse it out with some water. You want to get your lines really clean before you store it. And again, we're going to flush the water through there just to make sure that we get all of the cleaner out. So you'll want to make sure that you use distilled water when you clean out your pre-treat machine. So you want to get all of the water out of the lines after flushing it. And then once your lines are cleaned out, you can remove your nozzles and then clean and store those also. You can find all of these products at johnsonplasticsplus.com. If you have any questions, you can reach out to our customer support team. Thanks for watching.